About co-worker slacking off on the job.
What?
I almost got scammed by buying a car hauler, or did they actually provide the wrong information to get me through their doors? We call these trail mix. Definitely this one. Sir, boss.
It's a big trailer. I think he's pointing, telling you it's over there.
Hmm?
The guy's pointing at it over there.
That's the one I saw. That's the one he sent me a picture of.
What, this one?
Yeah, this one right here.
He was pointing over on the other side.
Those are dollars. Yes, sir. I love chicken wings. Going on? How are you? I've been calling here. I was a YouTuber. I don't think I was either
Danny.
Danny. Okay. Should I just drive up there or?
Yeah, you come up.
Okay.
What you wanna? Have you got any questions or anything on it?
I think this is the one that sent me. Was it? Oh, your name Mark?
Yeah.
You the one that sent me a picture before?
Yeah.
Okay. Is this the one right here?
And I think Danny said he spoke with you yesterday or this morning.
Yeah, this morning. Mm-hmm.
I don't know which one he quoted you. I told him a car hauler.
Okay.
And I think I may have quoted the one with the middle out.
Right.
And the other one.
The one with the middle out.
Yeah, the one that's got the opening right here.
Right.
And I think I may have quoted you that other one first too.
The very first one?
Yes, sir.
Well, I most likely will have to go for this one because this can only tow 5,200 pounds. I think you said one of them was 12.
That's going way too much for you probably. You don't want to strain your transmission.
Nah, yeah, this is a temporary fix, but I definitely prefer to have this one for sure. This, you said how much it weighs again?
I'm getting the VIN number, so I'm right on this.
Why my brakes look like it's actually taking a leak?
It's that AC.
I've heard it drip like that before though.
It's dripping.
That's weird. I never seen a drip. I seen like drip, drip, drip. That's like pouring out.
Does that sound right?
Yeah, he quoted me
7x18.
7x18. I got the price that he quoted me, but I didn't know.
I know he's in the shop.
going on, Pops? So I'm here. The tire sizes are 205, 75, 15.
That camera needs a Chevy. Needs a what? Oh, Chevy.
That's fine.
Get that all the time. Where's the extra camera?
Make sure this is the right one.
Okay.
1425.
1425?
What the weight is on
Okay.
it's the actual dry shipping weight of that trailer.
Okay.
It's probably gonna be the lightest trailer I'm gonna have to carry anything. Car worthy.
Car worthy. He told me the phone was like 1220. I was like, oh, that's perfect, but I need to figure out.
1425. I can tell you that's probably the lightest trailer that you're gonna find.
Okay.
That's actually lighter than the aluminum trailers we carry.
And you for sure it's 1300 there, because this guy told me the wrong thing, and I feel.
Well, you win some, you lose some. Quick update. As you can tell the way I got my hat, I'm still feeling a little under the weather. It's the C gone to speed 252. Don't want to take me to the hospital.
Are you trying to go to the hospital?
Nah. Two of them or one?
That's crazy. We got two of them, bro. I thought it was only one.
It probably is one.
Nah, it says two. Includes two stands, bro.
It might have been
That's perfect, bro.
included stand.
Bro, no. We in Harbor Freight. No, we in Harbor Freight. I don't know why I keep saying Harbor Freight. I said almost every time. We're in Harbor Freight. Let me know if you guys have any of those stores in your area. If you do, tell me what you decide about it. I mean, I feel like the twos are definitely affordable. Some people say you always want to go with name brand things. For me, I'm okay. I don't need a bunch of name brand stuff. I just need stuff that's going to work. That's really what matters at the end of the day. I bought a bunch of name brand things and they did not work. So I can tell you that's for sure. So right now we just need the, which they may not even have in here. We're looking for trailer brakes so I can plug into the Blazer. So that way when I push the brakes in the Blazer, it will start the brakes in the trailer as well. Do you all have, I'm buying a new car trailer and I need the braking system that needs to go inside the truck to alert the trailer that I'm braking. You know what I'm talking about or referring to?
Yeah, we've got some light systems, but that's about it.
Okay. Appreciate it, sir. The money, huh?
It better come with one.
I don't know if it does. You will hope. It does work here. So, does this piece already
The end does not come. We set it. That's a half pick. I can show you what it is.
What kind of video y'all making?
About co-worker slacking off on the job.
What?
That's the video he's making. That's not what I'm making.
What'd you make it for?
Mine's is car related, but today is just a blog.
Yeah.
All right, thank you. You too.
How you going?
Great.
You need this?
404.
I think it goes out here. So today was supposed to be a special video and I was supposed to be buying something special, but that didn't work out. It fell through due to some miscommunication. Understanding what was a mistake. The guy told me that the trailer weighs 1,220 pounds, and you know, with me trying to tow this Blazer, I want to make sure I get the lightest weight trailer possible, so that way I don't push this truck to its max, because it can only pull about 5,200 pounds, and I want to make sure that it's not as close. I'm trying to keep it as much as under as possible. Anyways, when we got there, the manager told me the trailer weighs 1,425 pounds, which is not a lot, but still more than I want it to be. And so I found another company that will send me a trailer for 1,300 pounds, and it was cheaper. So I'm going to go that route instead. But I came here today to buy this triple ball hitch because my father kept saying this is something that I needed to actually buy. And I bought a pin and I bought some jack stands because I feel like everyone needs some of these, especially since I'm going to be doing a lot of repairs on this bad boy myself. But once again, sorry for not getting a trailer, and sorry for not having a surprise. I greatly appreciate you all watching this video. If you definitely have not subscribed to the channel yet, please do. And you know, it is what it is at the end of the day, but we'll just figure it out and go from there. And once again, shout out to the Real Dom for helping me finish today. And we're on to the next thing. Hopefully we can get the trailer tomorrow and see what happens.
All right, yeah. So my name's C on the Speed 252. If you haven't already, definitely subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know what you all think. But until then,